Guys, do you also think starting and running an agency is super easy? If you think like that way, then just watch this entire video out. Just find out the reality of running a marketing agency. Every single one of the internet entrepreneurs is thinking to start an agency, and most of them are actually starting it. Most of them are actually failing at it, and they're just giving up because at this point, marketing agency space has become so much saturated. If someone were to start out today, she is going to feel so much pressured because of all the competition in the space. She is going to face like, what niche should I go for? What offer should I pitch to my clients? How do I get them on a call? It feels so hard to get prospects on the call because guys, at this point again, the agency is absolutely saturated, and this video is specifically for the people who actually want to know the reality of running and starting an agency. For the last 4 years, I've been personally running a marketing agency. There has been good times, there had been bad times, there has been rough days too. At this point, when we are doing around 30, 40, 45,000, $47,000, and if you are someone who thinks, Bhavesh, like you guys are hitting a lot of revenue, guys profit a lot. Absolutely, if I were in a position, I would have thought the same, but that's not the truth. So last month itself, we refunded close to around $11,000 to our client. Once you're at a point with your agency where you are doing $40,000-$50,000, refunding this much, it's very cliche. And I'm not saying it's something to boast about or be cool about it. No, I'm not being cool here. I'm going to tell you like what kind of courage, what kind of confidence, and what kind of risk it actually takes to start your agency. Like I mentioned, every single one of them out there is starting the agency, selecting a niche, starting the outreach. After 2 months, 3 months, they're not getting any results, they're not getting any appointments booked, they're quitting. This is giving up. And why not, guys? You know, if you won't feel the results is coming out, obviously you're going to just leave that spot right there after like a decent amount of time. The journey has been good. It actually made my life a little more good, much more better in a positive way. But at the same time, running this agency, sometimes so rough days, you have to actually go through those rough days all by yourself. You have to make so many calculated risk based decisions, which either can just break your entire business or which can actually take you to the next level. So the reason behind this is the service delivery. Sometimes you have the good offer, you have an irresistible offer, but you're delivering that to your clients. That's what's happening right now with our agency. And guess what? We are not the guys who are going to give up. Never, obviously. Every single day we have been trying our best to find new vendors, to figure it out, like how we can make it the best for our clients. And things has been working out good, but sometimes there's like very specific, small, minute reasons. Because of that, we refund to a lot of clients. Like I mentioned, last month was $11,000 worth of refund. So you might be thinking, Bhavesh, like you have the team, you have the sales guys, you book a lot of appointments, you close a lot of clients, then why are you refunding so much? Guys, there will be client who is going to just pinpoint you with each and everything throughout the process. Every single day, they need an update from you. Bhavesh, what's going on? Ashish, what's going on with my campaigns? How soon will I start receiving the appointment, the lead? And suddenly, like we feel like, you know, these kind of lines we need to stay away from, because these actually put a lot of pressure, especially on the delivery team. Not me, because I just get the client. Actually, Ashish need to deliver the results to these clients, and I would say like he's trying his best, but sometimes there are some scenarios where it's almost impossible to deliver a client. And we are not an agency who just keep the money, client leave us. We are someone who refunds the client first, then the client leaves us. Sometimes we are unable to deliver the amount of leads and appointments in a specific time frame that we promised, which was mentioned on the contract. And if it's overdue that particular time, then obviously, guys, we are liable to like refund the client. And at this point, like what we are actually thinking to like actually figure this thing out, we are actually thinking to hire someone who can handle the communication part, because sometimes obviously Ashish is like working with new clients and he's trying to figure out the new systems to deliver the clients of the best possible results. We tend to forget to respond back to our clients. You know, absolutely, guys, they're paying us $4,500, be they actually expect us to respond back to them on time. And I actually feel it. Obviously, guys, if I pay someone $4,500, if I send them a text, I expect a response within like couple of hours. And sometimes it's like 6-7 hours or maybe even a day or two. We don't even respond. And responding to clients, communicating with clients, it's absolutely the responsibility of the delivery team. And someone from delivery team actually forgets to respond, it's me who responds to each client, right? Because I don't want to lose any client and refund the client. Some clients might be rude to you, some clients might be impatient, some clients might be a little annoying, and just because of those traits of your clients, it sometimes get out of our own hand to actually handle those kind of clients, and we ourselves refund those clients. Because when these clients especially get impatient, Bhavesh, it's been a week, we are not getting leads and appointments, and still we're sending them appointments, still they're getting impatient for no reason. That's the time you just gotta let go of that particular client and just refund them. That's the second reason why we refund this much. These are the few reasons why we refund to our clients every single month, and it's getting consistent, to be honest. I know it's not a good thing to make refunds consistent, but that's how it goes. So once you're at a level, even if you're having an agency which is doing $100,000, $200,000, don't you think there will be some clients who is going to be imperfect, impatient, a little annoying, nightmare clients, like I mentioned? Like, these guys will be just rude for no reason. So you have to refund those clients, let go of them, and just keep moving forward. But what actually it does is, once you refund this much amount, let's say $10,000, $15,000, so it actually takes a lot of noticeable chunk of your profit. I think last month we did around $35,000, or maybe somewhere around that, I'm not sure. Out of that, like, we refunded $11,000 worth of client. Then secondly, we have expenses, like another 10 to 15 or 20,000, $10,000 or $12,000 worth of, I would say, expenses. Then we have to keep some funds for the agency, so that, let's say, if something, God forbid, bad happens to our agency, we might have funds to back it up. Then we just take our profits out. So I know we are squeezing out a lot of profits of our own, but there were times in our agency, like, our profit margins were extremely thick. At that point, we weren't like literally doing anything. We were not refunding clients. Everything was on point, and to be honest, we were just a cliche marketing agency. We were just offering leads. Now we have started offering appointments. It's super complex. So if you're actually onto complex things will be hard. At some point, you have to figure the things out all by yourself, which can actually take you to the next level. If you think like this, if we do figure out the service delivery, we take it to the perfection, best possible level. Yesterday itself, I was talking to Ashish. There's like one of our clients, she's actually selling out of in New York or New Jersey, I'm not sure. Out of 7 appointments, she has closed 6 sales, and guess what? She's annoyed. Bhavesh, send me more appointments, or either way, like, we have to end the contract. 6 sales out of 7 appointments. Just think about that. She has invested close to around, I would say, $7,000-8,000 with us, and made back more than $30,000 in maybe revenue, I'm not sure. She got the ROI, still she is pissed off. There will be clients who won't be satisfied ever. As a human behavior, obviously no one feels satisfied at some level. Everyone wants more, but she has made the ROI already. Instead of being happy and instead of appreciating the service delivery team, she's just saying, like, I'm going to end the contract with you guys, and asking for a rate. So there will be clients like that, and you guys gotta be prepared for it. You gotta be extra courageous, extra daring to actually deal with these clients and actually run an agency. If you're thinking to start an agency, and if you're thinking to actually scale it to $50,000, $60,000, $70,000, just don't think about everything is going to be perfect. I do like taking the meetings, taking the Zoom calls, having chicken call with my sales guys, hiring more people, building out the system through which I can get more appointments. The only thing is delivery. And even if you're starting an agency, make sure what service you are actually delivering, which is kind of easy to deliver. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. This is how it feels like to run an agency. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Looking forward to hear what you guys have to say. Bye.